saw the ball go in, I was like, that's pretty neat. And then I was like, wait a second. That's so good. Bro, you can do that. I think I understand.
You're getting it.
That way you don't have to bend down to get them.
I know. I learned that too. It's very handy.
No, it's gonna happen, bro. You gotta roll with it. Aim for the one in the middle.
That one?
Yeah. Go first, you out of the way? Okay.
Your ball's so bright.
Thank you. I take pride in that.
You wanna know what my ball is?
Pink.
That's a fair lead.
Oh, that's way too hard.
Yours is pretty good. Womp womp.
Been a lot cooler if that went in.
I know. If only I was cool.
Whoops. I think I almost hit your camera.
I'll go get my ball.
Okay.
Appreciate it. I'm reading left.
Really? I'm reading
That.
Wow.
Super off the way I was supposed to go, but
These aren't made of metal, are they? Oh. It made it across. It made it across the ditch. Yes.
I have to find my ball. I don't know where it went. It's over here somewhere. I'm pretty sure. It's a lot of grass though. We're getting rained on. Not a lot of golf in the golf video. Can you see it? I can see it with my shoes. But look at that. Hold on. There's the hole. That's where we hit it. Oh, it's really coming down now, boys. Look at, there it is. Okay. We have two options. We can either stay here in this wonderful water park, or we can try and walk back.
I thought we had to go back.